Hi, welcome to Top Brain GK. Today we will talk about upcoming airports in India. Whichever airport I will talk about in this video is either under construction or just proposed plan of Airport Authority. So if you are looking for the list of upcoming airports in India, you came to the right place. So as you know, major airports in India offer both domestic and international flights. And in India, there are 34 international airports that handle international flights. I already uploaded a video about 34 international airports of India. You can check the link in my description box. Let's start from Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, there are 3 upcoming airports. First one is Bhogapuram Airport. Bhogapuram Airport is a proposed international airport project to be built near Bhogapuram in Vizianagaram district, 40 kilometers northeast of Visakhapatnam. And the second airport is Kuppam Airport, is a public airport under construction at Kuppam in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And the third one is Nellore Airport. Nellore Airport is a proposed greenfield airport project near Dagadaharti. In Arunachal Pradesh, there is one upcoming airport and that is Itanagar Airport. Itanagar Airport is a greenfield airport project that will be constructed at Holangi, 14 kilometers south of state capital Itanagar. In Bihar state, there is one upcoming airport. This is Bihta Airport. Bihta Airport is a new airport development project for Bihta in the district of Patna, Bihar. In Goa state, there is one upcoming airport, that is Mopa Airport. Mopa International Airport is an under construction greenfield airport being built at Mopa in Parnem Taluka, North Goa district in the state of Goa. Now, next state is Gujarat. In Gujarat, there are 3 upcoming airports. That is Dholera Airport, is a greenfield airport project in Gujarat. And the second one is Ankleshwar Airport, is a greenfield airport being constructed at village Mandwa near Ankleshwar. And the third one is Rajpipla Airport. This is a proposed airport at Rajpipla, and this airport to come up near world's tallest statue, and that is Statue of Unity. Next state is Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal Pradesh, there is one upcoming airport, Mandi Airport. Mandi Airport is a proposed greenfield airport to be built at Nagchala in Mandi district in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. In Jharkhand, there are 2 upcoming airports. One is Devghar Airport. Devghar Airport is likely to be operational from September. And the second one is Dhal Bhumgarh. Dhal Bhumgarh Airport is a proposed public airport located at Dhal Bhumgarh in the state of Jharkhand. Now let's talk about Karnataka. In Karnataka, there are 4 upcoming airports. First one is Bijapur Airport. Bijapur Airport is a planned greenfield airport that will serve the city of Bijapur in Karnataka. Second is Hassan Airport. This is a greenfield airport project under construction at Buvanahalli village, Karnataka. Third is Karwar Airport. Karwar Airport is a proposed airport and will be built by the Indian Navy at Alagiri village near Ankola. And the fourth is Shimoga Airport. Shimoga Airport is a proposed greenfield development project located in Karnataka. In Kerala, there are also 3 upcoming airports. First one is Bekal Airport. Bekal Airport is a new airport development proposed by the Kerala state government. And the second is Sabriagiri Airport. Sabriagiri Airport is a proposed greenfield airport project to be built in Erumeli of Kottayam district in Kerala. And third is Tiruvambadi Airport. Tiruvambadi Airport is a proposed airport near Tiruvambadi. Now talking about state Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, there are 3 upcoming airports, and the first one is Navi Mumbai. Navi Mumbai International Airport is an under construction greenfield international airport being built at Panvel, Uran, Navi Mumbai in Maharashtra. And the second is Sindhudurg Airport. Sindhudurg Airport is opening soon. And the third one is the new Pune Airport is a proposed greenfield airport project to serve the city of Pune, India. It will be named Chhatrapati Sambhaji Raje International Airport. In Nagaland state, there is one upcoming airport, that is Kohima Chethu Airport. Kohima Chethu Airport is a greenfield airport currently under construction at Chethu, 25 km north of Kohima, the capital of Nagaland. In Odisha state, there is one upcoming airport, and that is Dhamra Airport. Dhamra Airport is a proposed to be built by the Dhamra Port Company Limited, 20 km from Dhamra Port in the Bhadrak district of Odisha. Next state is Puducherry. In Puducherry, there are also 3 upcoming airports. First is Karaikal Airport. Karaikal Airport is a greenfield airport under construction at Karaikal in the Union Territory of Puducherry, India. And the second is Mahe Airport, and third one is Yanam Airport. In Telangana, there are also 3 upcoming airports. One is Kothagudem. Kothagudem Airport is a proposed greenfield airport at Kothagudem in Bhadradi, Kothagudem district. And the second is Nizamabad Airport. Nizamabad Airport is a proposed greenfield airport in Jakranpalli in Nizamabad district in the Indian state of Telangana. And the third one is Ramagundam Airport. Ramagundam Airport is located in the city of Ramagundam in the state of Telangana. Now let's talk about Uttarakhand state. In Uttarakhand, there are 2 upcoming airports. First one is Chaukhatia Airport. Chaukhatia Airport is new proposed airport in Almora district of Uttarakhand state in India. And the second is Gauchar Airport. Gauchar Airport is situated in a small town of Gauchar, which located on the Badrinath highway in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. And now let's talk about the last state, and that is Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, there are 5 upcoming airports. First one is Aligarh Airport. Aligarh Airport is an upcoming domestic airport planned to develop as one of well-established airport. New airport is situated in Aligarh. Second is Azamgarh Airport. Azamgarh Airport is an upcoming airport situated at Mandori village, which is outside Azamgarh city. And the third airport is Jhansi Airport. Jhansi Airport is an upcoming airport currently used as a military airstrip situated in Jhansi city in the Bundelkhand region of Indian state. Fourth airport is Kushinagar International Airport. This is situated in Kushinagar district in Uttar Pradesh. Due to not being structurally completed, the airport could not be operational on time. And the last is Jewar Airport, officially Noida International Greenfield Airport. Noida International Greenfield Airport is a proposed international airport to be constructed near the town of Jewar in Gautam Budh Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. In this video, I have covered all the upcoming airports in India. If you like this video, you can share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.